Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you this orange creativity box for ages 4 through 99, and it has 60 pieces and it's a Lego Classic set. Now the first thing we're going to do is open this box. So if you can find it, there's this tab on the side of the box. So let's push it down, and that's how you will open it, like that. So now we push that all the way down. And ta-da! Then we can take this part and open the box. Let's open the sides so we can easily take our pieces out. So let's put our box away. And I'm going to show you everything that's in here. So we have our first bag, our second bag, and our instructions. So let's open up our instructions so we can do our first Lego build. So the Lego, this is our instructions, and first we will do we just flip the pages, this Lego house. So now let's open the bags. So let's open bag 1. And let's take some scissors and cut it open. Like this. Then let's tear it so we can easily get all the pieces out. And this is what we have. Next, we can get bag 2, which I can just tear open. And let's put our pieces there. Let's put our scissors away. And then let's work on our set.